Welcome, today I'm with HUAWEI Nova and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you should go to the settings and now tap on the screen, home screen and wallpaper. Just here you will see the wallpapers, tap on that and now you can choose your new wallpaper from these available wallpapers by like artistic, dimensional, nature, recommended, illustrated. For example, I will go in with this one and now just tap on the available wallpaper, just for example for this one. Now tap to accept and we'll choose the lock screen. So wait just a few seconds and now we will check. So as can you see, our wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's it. If you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.